Alright, so we should be about to wrap this one up. It's the next day. That's all that's left of the fire, just those stumps and stuff. I'm gonna let them burn through the night, and then tomorrow when I come back down here, I'm just gonna bury whatever's left over there in the edge of the woods and be done with that. Right, they asked me today, everybody, homeowners are real happy with it. The woman, she was tickled with it. She said I brought to life exactly what they wanted, so I said that's all that matters. So I told them I was going to put the bush hog on and knock all this little scraggly stuff down, and they asked me if I could just kind of run up in the woods right here, kind of clean this stuff up in there. I said, yeah, no problem, it won't take me just a minute. So we are going to bush hog this little stuff real quick, and then I'm going to do a flyover of this job, and then the next job I'm gonna be on, y'all should see next. I'm pretty sure y'all are tired of seeing this job. It should have already been done, but I can't help the weather, and I was really wanting to get it done yesterday, but just ran out of time. So y'all stick around, and we're gonna bush hog a little bit, and I'll show you what we got next up on the agenda. show y'all the work instead of me. Went all through the woods right there, all the way up the driveway. It opened it up pretty good through there. I tried to get everything I could. Of course, this little bit right here is on the neighbor's property. But I tried to get in everywhere I could that the brush cutter would fit, even on this side. I should be happy with that. That made it look 10 times better just doing that little bit. And I cut all this stuff down. This ground is pumping really bad still. I can just feel the skid steer just sitting down. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all ran the skid steer in pumping ground, it just feels like you're just rearing up the whole time. Got all that over there brush cut. I'm gonna walk back here with the excavator real quick and push the fire up one more time, get it rolling hot, and then I really wanted to get it done today, but it's still a little bit too much to bury. But I'll do a flyover of the next job, or I'll do a flyover of this job, and then I'll do a flyover of the next job just right down the road and show you what we got going on there. Okay, so right here is where the job I just finished. I'm gonna fly y'all up to the job I'm about to do next. If my drone doesn't crash, I just had an issue with one of the motors on it. It was locked up for some reason. Cut it off and then it wouldn't start back. So right here, if y'all seen the root raking video with the dozer, right here is where that comes out at. So basically what I've got to do is from this road over to about, he said just kind of draw an imaginary line to like right here, I believe. Let me go on up a little higher. Basically just draw a straight line straight back here over to this road and take out all the smaller stuff, kind of work around the bigger trees for right now and just make sure I ain't gonna hit no trees. I should be plenty high enough. Make sure what was I saying, work around all the bigger stuff and try to get as much done as I can in 8 hours. He said give me another full day's worth, see how far we get. So this is going to be like a production job here. Kind of interested to see how much I can get done in something like this in 8 hours. And right now I'm just going to be making piles here and there to keep me moving. Yeah, so I'll kind of show you where the dozer's still sitting. Cleared all this little trail through here, or didn't clear it, I leveled it. All that around through there. Y'all seen that in that little back part back there. And I told him that I would come over here. They tried to burn their piles. These big cedar piles. They tried to burn them, and they wouldn't hardly burn. I can see they done a little bit more to that one. I told him I'd come over here and try to bunch them up and break them up a little bit more. Those tires ain't got nothing to do with me, just so y'all know. There's the dozer. I don't think I'm going to need it down here anymore, so I may move it to the next job I got coming up. One I really need to be on right now. Should have already been on it. But anyway, and then there's the road that I just cleared. So yeah, I got this project to do. I'm not sure how much more. He may tell me just go ahead and do another full day's worth. I don't know yet. I'm just gonna see how much I can get done in 8 hours, and we'll go from there. But I'll probably move on this job tomorrow at lunch. I got a little bit more work to do at the factory, and then I'll be down here to start on this, and it'll be on to the next little project. I've got a lot of work in this one little area, and I'm very thankful for it. I'm ready to move on to bigger projects I got going on. So y'all stick around. I appreciate you watching, appreciate your support.